Popular TikToker 119 was arrested on Tuesday and hit with a charge.
My people are perish for lack of knowledge. And there's one thing about us. If we don't like you, we can't be objective. So it's bad enough that we are either orange or green. But one of the dilemma about us is if we don't like you. Somebody write me a message to say, the law, the constitutional law, the cybercrime law was put into effect to curb me and 119 because we are sharpshooter. 119 lick me and call me out and do all kind of something, but me not take contents personal. If you not attack my family, me good. You are so gullible that you can't see why that cybercrime law was put in place. You remember when the law come into effect? I was living in Canada when it come into effect, you know. But you remember when the law was passed? I believe it was passed when one politician was found with over 21 different bank accounts that he cannot account for openly. Politicians has how many cars, how many houses, not declaring their assets, and they want to use the silent treatment on Jamaican. The law, it appears as if the law was formed because one politician buy 100-acre land for $1,000 per acre. And they don't want the Jamaican people to speak. So the law was not formed for TikTokers and bloggers. The law was formed, it appears, to silent critics of our political leaders. So because people are opening their mouth and a chat, they run go farm law because nobody know to say nothing about them deeds. And you no pick up that? You no pick up, so that is why them form the law? Because they want to rob the Jamaican people blind and the Jamaican people shouldn't say anything about it. You no see? You know something? I have to defend my brother, you know. I have to jump out and defend my brother if that is what you know I go call it, you know. And you know when you know I go see the significance of this stupid law? When it affect uno family members. That is when you're not gonna see the effect of this law that they use to put padlock and key and person's mouth so that politicians can go about unaliving them wife, carry them, go bury them and tell lies, then drop off a bed and lick their head on the bed foot. That top lawyers can have man in them house asleep and unalive man and hear no gunshot fire and know nothing because he did asleep. And all those kind of things that they are doing in this country to silent person. And uno can see? Uno continue to vote. Election is coming soon. I am gonna be one of the last person who will catch on it. Yeah, man. Because I know little court dragons. But uno who are rejoice. Uno no understand. Well, most of the people them who vote cannot read. Most of the people them who cast ballots don't even understand what cybercrime is. So, and me and 119 the law was created for. The law was created to protect the politicians so that them can rob the Jamaican people blind.